Hi guys, it's your girl Raiders DIY for hair growth. I am back again. As you guys watched my video yesterday about me doing the onion and the aloe vera oil for hair growth, and also showing you guys some of the shampoo that I use, or my shampoo that I use that has benefited my hair to grow. If you have not tried my DIY, I encourage you very strongly for you to try it, because I have had a lot of problems with my hair. And since I started doing my own DIY, I've seen changes in my hair because I've used a lot of products. I've spoiled a lot of money because I want my hair to grow. And the more I use different products, my hair keeps falling and my hair gets destroyed. Since I started doing my DIY, I've seen different dimension and different progress in my hair. So yesterday I covered my hair with a plastic bag. I take my hair off. I've washed my hair, and as you can see, I haven't even applied the oil in, or I haven't done anything. I just washed it yesterday after I did my pre-poo wash day yesterday. I washed my hair. So today I'm just going to a friend to go braid my hair twist or plait, and then I have my my shibi powder. So this is shibi. I got it from a friend of mine. She's from Nigeria. I got this, and I've been using this also on my hair. Okay, not under my scalp, but I use it on my hair. It's very good. Shibi, we all know the one that's shibi powder. This is the oil I did yesterday. So as you can see, I haven't touched it because yesterday I did my wash day yesterday. So I'm going to a friend to plait my hair, and then I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put it in a hot water to make it hot, and then I can use it on my scalp. So follow me, let's go and do my hair. Yay! I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. Yeah. Almost there to do my hair. Let's go and do my hair. Reach the place that I'm coming to do my hair. So let's go and start doing my hair. All right, let's do it. Yay, it's me. Hi, Ava. Where are you hiding? Hi, Ava. Woo! Hi, Ava. Oh, my goodness. You are big. Hi. Hi. My goodness, Ava is grown. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, I'm here to do my hair. Look at this. This German, black German Shepherd, you know? My sister loves pets. I don't know if they pets. I think I know this too. Eva! Silly. Eva, come here. Oh, not you, not you. This is Eva. I love this dog so much. Eva, say hello. You, give them a chance. Alright, guys, I need to continue. Doing my hair. Otherwise, today my hair will not be done. Alright, let's do my hair, okay? See you. my hair is I have trimmed the end of my hair because it was a bit rough. So I've trimmed my ends, and yeah, it will more to keep it more stronger. So this is the beginning of my hair. So guys, I've finished my hair. This is my hair from and natural. As I said, I trim off my hair so it becomes more healthy and thicker. So thank you for joining me to my journey of braiding my hair. And please don't forget to try the oil I made and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.